Why GPT-5 will define an era in AI. OpenAI's ChatGPT has been effortlessly making sizzling headlines for months now. With the release of the latest, much advanced iteration of GPT-4 on March 14, 2023, OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman has elevated chatbots and AI to a whole new level. The tech world speculates that its much more evolved version, GPT-5, will launch soon. The news has prompted a frenzy among AI enthusiasts and fed into the paranoia of those wary of rapidly progressing AI.
Welcome back, everyone. It's time for AI. Here we cover the latest news and breakthroughs in the field of artificial intelligence.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to avoid missing out on exciting content. Rumor has it that OpenAI began developing GPT-5 shortly after the launch of its predecessor, GPT-4. In today's video, we will analyze this tech buzz and reveal why GPT-5 will define an era in AI. Let's dig into it. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced AI language models available today, built on the GPT-3 architecture. Has the AI bot impacted your life in some way? Comment below what you used ChatGPT for. According to recent reports, the development of OpenAI's newest large language model, GPT-5, a state-of-the-art language processing technology, is underway. This comes after the enormous success of its previous model, ChatGPT, which propelled further development of AI chatbots. OpenAI is reportedly making strides towards improving its chatbot by creating more advanced language models. However, a group of public figures and tech leaders are calling for a halt to anything beyond GPT-4. The petition includes influential names like Elon Musk, Steve Wozniak, and Andrew Yang, raising concerns about the technology's implications. Governments and the public are also paying close attention to the developments, making this a hot topic in tech. Where do the GPT-5 rumors stem from? Here's a little backstory. After the initial release of GPT-4 in March, many people worldwide were reeling with fear and anxiety. The same month, the Future of Life Institute, a nonprofit organization that works to reduce existential risk from powerful technologies, issued an open letter calling for a 6-month hiatus on developing new AI technology or chatbots. The letter cited concerns about the spread of misinformation and the risk of automation in the labor market. In its warning letter, the nonprofit floated the possibility of developers losing control of robust new AI systems and their intended effect on civilization, as AI companies are locked in an unsupervised chaotic race to develop and deploy advanced systems. It urged tech companies to reap the rewards of an AI summer while society has a chance to adapt to the new technology instead of rushing into an unprepared fall. It also highlighted several risks of the new tech, including the possibility that non-human minds will eventually outnumber, outsmart, obsolete, and replace us. The letter cautioned that AI systems, such as OpenAI's GPT-4, are becoming human competitive at general tasks and pose a potential risk to humanity and society. It called on AI labs to pause training any tech more potent than GPT-4 for 6 months while the dangers of the new technology are adequately assessed. The letter has been signed by over 27,000 people, including many notable entrepreneurs, researchers, and professors. The open letter heavily fueled the speculation that OpenAI is working toward GPT-5. GPT-5. While everything seems done already and all milestones achieved in AI, what sets GPT-5 apart from its prototypes? What does OpenAI have to say about those rumors? Will the company soon be unveiling GPT-5? Stay tuned until the end of the video to find out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay informed about everything new in the robotics and artificial intelligence realms. Rumors indicate that GPT-5 has the potential to be a significant upgrade over GPT-4, although little information is currently available. Initially, there was news about GPT-5 being trained and set to launch in 2024. However, OpenAI has updated that GPT 4.5 will be available in September or October 2023, bridging the gap between GPT-4 and the upcoming GPT-5. As we impatiently anticipate the release of OpenAI's next big thing, GPT-5, there's a lot of curiosity about how its availability will be tiered. For example, GPT 3.5 is already making waves in ChatGPT, but GPT-4 is reserved for the elite ChatGPT Plus users. While nobody knows for sure when GPT-5 will debut or who will get access to it first, one thing is clear: OpenAI is keeping us all in suspense. Nevertheless, it's worth noting that spin-off tools, such as Bing Chat, have already been spotted using cutting-edge models before their official release, which adds to the intrigue. Simply increasing the model size, adding computational power, or diversifying training data may not bring the revolutionary breakthroughs we seek. Thrilling possibility is incorporating sound recognition capabilities, creating an AI model that can process text, images, and sound, a triple threat. Plus, there's talk of GPT-5 possibly being able to process videos, making AI more immersive and adaptable than ever before. GPT-5 might have the potential to become a masterpiece in the making, with the ability to merge humor, passion, and relatable themes in ways we never thought possible. Have you heard of AGI, aka Artificial General Intelligence? It's a pretty fascinating topic, but since it's purely theoretical, defining it can be quite a challenge. However, you may be interested to know that some reports are already buzzing about GPT-5. It's said to have reached a level of intelligence that could be classified as AGI. AGI refers to the theoretical development of AI that could perform any intellectual task that a human can. Unlike the current AI systems programmed for specific tasks, AGI would possess a level of adaptability and learning ability that would allow it to solve tasks it has never encountered before. In simpler terms, AGI is a type of artificial intelligence that can learn and reason like humans rather than being limited to a specific task or set of tasks. Researchers are still exploring ways to achieve AGI, which is considered a long-term goal of AI development. Nevertheless, most experts still claim we're pretty far from achieving true AGI. Rumors debunked. Now, here's the kicker. OpenAI has come out and announced that GPT-5 has not yet been initiated, dismissing all the previous gossip about its launch. On April 14, 2023, Sam Altman debunked the rumors about the development of GPT-5 during a tech event in MIT.
So we're at MIT, and from here, with Max Tegmark and others, they put together this open letter to call AI development for 6 months. What are your thoughts about this open letter?
There's parts of the thrust that I really agree with. We spent more than 6 months after we finished training GPT-4 before we released it. So taking the time to really study the safety of the model, to get external audits, external red teamers, to really try to understand what's going on and mitigate as much as you can, that's important. It's been really nice since we have launched GPT-4, how many people have said, like, wow, this is not only the most capable model OpenAI has put out, but like by far the safest and most aligned, and unless I'm trying to get it to do something bad, it won't. So that I totally agree with. I also agree that as capabilities get more and more serious, the safety bar has got to increase.
Do you think OpenAI might secretly be working on GPT-5 and would astonish the world with its unprecedented disclosure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to our channel while you're at it. The CEO revealed that OpenAI is developing refinements to GPT-4 in order to address the safety issues it presents. as capabilities get more and more serious, the safety bars gotta increase. Altman also emphasized that OpenAI will continue to be honest about its developments with AI and involve as many people as possible in testing and learning about them. He believes that everyone will feel their influence, and it's worth the trade-off of putting these systems out into the world, even though they are deeply imperfect in their current state. Although Sam Altman clarified that GPT-5 is not currently in training, there's still a lot of potential for its development. Altman's statement didn't completely dismiss the possibility of data collection for the selection of the model's architecture. So, we may not be on the edge of our seats just yet. The anticipation for GPT-5's development is still high. However, one thing is clear. GPT-5 represents a crucial step towards a paradigm shift in AI. It brings us one step closer to the elusive concept of artificial general intelligence, which has long been a hot topic in AI circles. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We will be back again shortly with more amazing content.